Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 25th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla rebounded a bit today. So we are up $30 and 64 cents. That's 4.88%. Closed at 658.80. Post market, we seem to be down by $3 or so. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yesterday we had the perfect touch. Look at this. This is absolute perfection. So this is the same line that we have right here, May 11th. This is when people tell you that technical analysis is crap, just have them look at this. What are the chances that the price follows lines? What are the chances? But they do. Look at this. They do all the time. Anyway, this is why we keep doing them, because it works. When it's not going to work anymore, we will stop doing them. Not create another YouTube channel. Okay, anyway, so nice green day today. So we closed higher than we closed yesterday. And we also have a higher low. So maybe we are turning back around a little bit. So green candle, but with a little bit of a wick at the bottom and at the top and no wick at the bottom. We caved in towards the end of the day. We caved in to the sellers. I don't know what is going to happen next. But anyway, all movement is now noise between this resistance right here and this one right here. So it's all noise between the two. We don't need to act very much on anything. When we are going to start crossing this resistance here, then we can start thinking about something. But there's also 695.46. That's not too far away. We could wait for 695.46, or if we want to just try to optimize everything, we could get in as soon as we break this. Hopefully with a stochastic over 60, with my stochastic over 60, not any stochastic, my stochastic over 60. Then we could do it also with the knowledge that it could come back around because of 695.46. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day was plenty powerful, nice green candle. Second green candle also was plenty powerful, also broke a little bit of a resistance that we had here at 655 approximately. Yeah, 655, that's close enough. So we broke that. And then we closed above it for the rest of the day. There's some staying power. We had some staying power right here, but we did not have stochastic at that point. That staying power did not mean a whole lot. Now we have stochastic right here. So chances are that this is going to continue over 655. There's more chances that this happens because of that. But then we have a downward resistance right here. So I don't know if this is going to make the stock cave in, because trend lines, which are resistance lines and support lines, are more important than stochastic. So maybe the stock is going to come here and cave. That's possible, or it's going to do this, as we have just mentioned. So let's go back to the daily chart and look at our indicators a little bit. Yeah, our indicators are not very nice. Stochastic at 11, extremely low. We need something above 60 on the daily to really have a good move. And we also need it on the weekly to have a long move. Everything else is pretty much in the tank. Let's take a quick look at the VIX. See how the VIX is faring. So VIX today is lower than yesterday. So that must have helped Tesla. This is the first hour of the, so VIX came down during the first hour of the day and Tesla just went up. So VIX is stabilizing a little bit there. It's stabilizing. It does not want to come down, but at least it's stabilizing there. Let's look at what happened with Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is rebounding right here. It's rebounding. It has been rebounding for, let's say, 3-4 days. Pretty much the same thing with the S&P 500. This is our line here. Nasdaq, not so much. And Nasdaq has been touching this downward resistance right here for the past 5 days. So it cannot get back into this channel here. So this does not bode well. This does not bode well. We cannot get back into it. And that's a descending channel. It's not like we are getting back into an ascending channel. We cannot get back into a descending channel. How weak Nasdaq is, right? And here, Nasdaq 100, it's basically going sideways. It's going sideways. So not much strength overall in the market. So what can we do? What can Tesla do? Not much. So let's just be patient and let's wait until something really interesting happens. This is just like fishing. You put your line in the water and we wait for the perfect conditions. At least for us, we know where to fish. We know to fish where stochastic is over 60, and we know that we need to fish where a resistance has been broken. So at least with that, we increase our chances to catch something, and we hope it's not a shoe. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. And I have many other affiliate links. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.